Mercedes-Benz offers complimentary roadside assistance to any vehicle that is still under warranty. Whether it's replacing a flat tire, providing a jump start, or delivering fuel if you accidentally run out, Roadside Assistance can provide help when you need it most, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you run into vehicle troubles and you are more than 100 miles from your home, your vehicle is inoperable and covered under warranty, and your vehicle must remain overnight for repairs, Roadside Assistance offers trip interruption service. If this happens, Feldmann Imports will reimburse you up to $300 per night for lodging, food, and travel expenses. Or, if you are involved in an accident or have a mechanical issue, Roadside Assistance will arrange for towing service to our dealership at no charge. There are several ways to contact Roadside Assistance. You can call 1-877-837-6584 to speak with a representative, press the wrench or me button in your vehicle, or by pressing the Roadside Assistance button in the app. Whichever way you reach us, we'll always be happy to help.